Hi, I'm Zach with Proline Rangehoods, and today we're going to be unboxing our PLJW 113 wall range hood. We'll take everything out of the box and show you what comes inside your package that you'll receive, all the components of the range hood. We'll set it all up and explain it all for you. Now that we've removed everything from the box, obviously we're going to have our range hood, and then we also have our stainless steel baffle filters that will come in its own separate box. Also the manual and hardware that will be necessary for installing the range hood, as well as the mounting kit, all will be inside the box. We're going to take a deep dive into the range hood now itself. So we'll remove the protective layering that it comes in. And then obviously, like we said, the baffle filters do come separate in their own box. So you're going to see right away the 900 CFM 4-speed blower inside of the range hood. Now the PLJW 113 is great because it can be a ductless or ducted. If you decide to go with a ductless route, you're just going to need a recirculating kit, and we can provide those for you. So make sure you look into that. The great thing about our 900 CFM motor is it is one of our high efficiency blowers. So that means it's still super powerful cooking in high heat environments, or if you're making a quick meal, it's going to remove those smokes, odors, and things like that. But also because it is a high efficiency blower, it's going to use a really low level of energy. And if we take a look up from the blower, we're going to see our 2 LED lights. These are great for any cooking environment. If you're in a low light environment, it should be plenty of light for you. And the great thing is, because they're LED, they are going to last a lifetime. So up next, now that we've kind of taken a look at this, we're going to take out those stainless steel baffle filters and show you how you can install them and prep your hood for installing in your home. We've gone ahead and gathered all the stainless steel components of the range hood. So firstly, we're going to take a look at the grease tray. Now installing this is very easy. We're just going to take it and set it inside the bottom of the range hood. Just going to put it one side there, drop it on the other, kind of pull it so it's up tight and it'll fit nice and snug. Now on the PLJW 113, we do have a 36-inch size model here today that we're showing you guys. So it is going to come with 2 baffle filters and then 2 spacers, but this does range in size from 30-inch models all the way up to 48-inch models. So whatever you guys need for your home, Proline Rangehoods has it. The install then is super simple. So similar to the grease tray, we're just going to take our baffle filter and then we'll set it inside the bottom again. It's going to just kind of slide underneath the top here. We'll lift it up and then pull it back into place, and it should sit nice and easy for you, just perfect. And if we look up from the 2 LED lights, on the front of the range hood is going to be our black LCD touch panel. Now this is great because you can control anything on your range hood with just the touch of a finger. So you can turn your lights on and off if you're cooking in a darker environment. You can turn your range hood on and off here, as well as control the speed of your range hood all the way from its high setting down to its most quiet. It also has the self shut off timer, so you guys can press that if you just want it to turn off on its own. So there you have it. That is our PLJW 113 model. If you guys want to check out any of our other sizes, head over to our website at ProlineRangehoods.com. And if you have any further questions, don't hesitate to contact our support team. Thank you guys so much, and subscribe for more content like this.